This is Cricut EasyPress 3 and its companion app, Cricut Heat, the heat transfer dream team. So what does that mean? They work together to help you every step of the way. Just pick your material, like iron-on or infusible ink. And your blank? A textile, a tote, or a t-shirt. Then tap to send the ideal time and temperature settings. And there they go. When it's go time, it'll chime. With perfect edge-to-edge even heat, you can stress less and just press. Because the app's got your back at every turn. The safety base protects your work surface, and the press, it even turns itself off. Now just heel for the big reveal. No more guesswork means more of this. And this. And yeah, even this. Your perfect press is now on tap.